All right, good morning, guys. Before I show you what's the latest in the backyard project here, I just want to say to stay safe, stay home as much as you can. If you're going to be out in public, please wear a mask. It's very important, especially for us Pacific Islanders, um, because this thing is really impacting us. I know uh, our culture plays a very important role in that situation because we always want to hang out together. We always want to do family gatherings and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of tough, but uh, we gotta adjust and um, and do our best with this COVID-19 situation we're in. Um, so guys, stay safe. I know if you guys are working out there in the industries that are really impacted by this, um, foster farms, especially places like meat packaging and all those areas. Um, just wash your hands, use hand sanitizer, and take care of yourself and your family. All right. Um, and kudos to our healthcare workers out there, and grocery store workers and all that, and all those people. So thank you very much. Let's show you the latest here. Let me turn the camera up. So here is the latest. We added another pathway. We ran out of rock, so we just used this. Yep. Um, okay, so that is completed, and we, believe it or not, destroyed the pond. So that's done. It's destroyed. But the reason I actually put it together first is I just want to see how it's done and all that stuff. While I was digging this very deep, uh, very deep. I think it's 3 feet deep. Um, hole. It has steps or shelves um, for ladder. Um, the plan here is to put koi fish. Yeah, so we have to make it so deep so those guys, poor koi fishes, they can go deep when they're cold because the water in the bottom will be more warmer, especially during cold climate or cold season, winter. And so that's the reason why we kind of destroyed. So now we're gonna put them back together. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe the day after. It'll be done. It'll be very different. We're gonna have more bigger waterfall. Well, we'll show you next time. Okay. Another update. My fruit tree here has no more fruit. Yeah, my grandkids, they came out and picked every uh, fruit from this fruit tree. So she has no baby. Alrighty, and okay, let's go take a look at the garden. I put more. Ooh, look at that! Someone already planted something there. Interesting, interesting. Alrighty, someone, I guess in the middle of the night, snuck out and planted a rosemary. Yeah, that's look like a rosemary. Yeah, yesterday I filled this up a little bit and I put more worms here, earthworms. Yeah. So every earthworm that I find at the pond side where I'm doing the construction, I brought them here and put them in the soil. Hopefully it'll help digest the food scraps that I put them on here. And yeah, And we kind of put the final touches. See that? Yeah, so that'll be the top of the wall. It's not completed yet. Yeah, so, yep, right. And what else? And then we look at that. So we got a lot of dirt from the digging. So we're actually filling up this side of the deck. Yeah. All right. So that is basically the latest. Yeah. I think one thing we also did was, putting the gravels. So we don't want any grass or weed to come up. So if you notice, we use those, what do you call those things? Yeah, that's the gray piece of cloth or whatever. It's a construction type stuff. So we put them under the gravel. Hopefully the weed or you know, some other plants don't come up. And yeah, these guys, we planted them. I planted them way early on. They're really coming up so nicely now. Yeah, we also put gravel down here where the two roses are at. Yeah. And let's see. And then yeah, the grass is so green, so beautiful, man. Yeah. And this thing is climbing. Yep, it's climbing. It's climbing up. Alrighty, so I guess that's about it. Thank you for joining us. We'll update you more. Iga veor totsuk me 50 tickets for Kisto Tabor. Get very sit. Si patsuk watsarekis fosna fosatsuk, but abuekis waiti metsi hariaga griwatei. Ye no porare construction, not have a backyard. Abuete over Rio Pond. Ikave goods tuna iwe paru urok agarap toku sakopat. Ira kiso abitotsuk awa patsak tuburot. Hamile yap. Good morning, Moktin. Urimami. Yeah, she have a 40 so met Rebar met them zigarazor. We tar pant and tar maras. She was 40 so ruddy got a rudder. So for me, it was so she was wrong or eek. Maris were good wrong harang up tahu. And she know it was pick up wrong. She mongo. They order stainless steel tables. She was harang up. She klitang. She order. I can't wait for you guys to come this summer so we can chop up some tuna, taking out at this pond. Right? Okay. Alrighty. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for following us along. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button or whatever they say. Thank you very much for those that have subscribed to our channel. And we'll keep you updated on this humongous project. Unemployment checks from Washington State is not out yet. Those guys are busy, so I'm taking my time finishing up all these projects. Hopefully by the time that Governor Inslee said time to go back to work, then I'll be out there working again. For now, I'm stuck here. I'm digging up this backyard and to it whatever I want to do with it and make it my own. Si Jusumase, Kulo, Kamagar, Kiso Chabur, Kalangan, Yerum, Yokor. Alrighty, thank you.